kinuha ko to. Tutok mo ng maayos.
Oh, ayan. Nagbebenta kami. Hello, guys. Yun. Ibenta ng mga bottle. Oh. Saan mo ilalagay dito? Tapos,
Walang karat.
ewan ko sa'yo, Deborah. Oh. Ito kami, basura.
Let's share! Let's share! Is that yours? Okay. It's just a this is just a little, you know?
Nagurulog na. Nagurulog na.
There.
Oh.
We only have few, so
I only come here
we're
like
gonna take
once
one.
every 3 months.
Wait, give me a second.
Kalakil mo pala nagibenta.
Dahil dito 24. 24 pieces dapat to. Lagyan mo yan. Gusto mo dito ka? Ako dyan. Para yun, nasa taas mo na. Ay, wala tayong gloves. Yan mo na, hugas na lang tayo mga ano. Kalimutan kong galing yung gloves.
Ay, yung mga ganyan.
Hugas ka mamaya ma.
O ito, dito.
Opo.
Apa kaya Deborah? You go.
Yeah. I thought we got it recently, but turned out it's like 6 days ago. I'll go hammer up class. Hey.
Hi.
So we have 15 left with 24, so 39.
This is 24 also. This one.
For these, also the boosts and the insures are just for cycling. Yes. Yeah, but other than that, we look good on the rest. Yeah.
And this one 16.
16 there? Yeah, beautiful.
Pakita mo yung pinagbentahan mo. $14. Kaskas mo lang ng kaskasingin.
Ito ulit.
Tatlo ulit. Galing ah. Five. Ay, wala. Sana 1,000 na 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. 500. So, yung mo.
20, wala.
Yan mo na. At least naka $6 tayo. Ito oh. Good job. 3. Puro 3. Oo. Hawakan mo ma.